After 2 crore eligible voters deciding the fate of over 1,000 candidates, Haryana polling that has already begun, the voting in the high-stakes battle that will decide whether the BJP secures a hat-trick of victories in the state or the Congress party succeeds when it comes to wrest back the power after being in opposition for the last 10 years, riding on anti-incumbency, farmer issues, and especially when it comes to the recent protests by the wrestlers. We heard the first reaction coming in from the former Chief Minister Manohar Lal, the current Chief Minister Nayaab Singh Saini, as along with his family is coming out to cast his vote, and Manu Bhakar, the Olympic medalist, also making the appeal to the youth, to the first-time voters as well, to come out and vote in large numbers. As Vinesh Phogat making her electoral debut as well, who has also been there in the electoral fray, as she is a Congress candidate from Julana. She too made an appeal to the people. Let's first listen into what Manu Bhakar said.
आई थिंक हम सबकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है बीइंग द यूथ ऑफ दिस कंट्री कि हम सब अपना वोट डालें और जो भी आपकी समझदारी से आपको बेस्ट कैंडिडेट लगता है, बेस्ट लीडर लगता है अपने देश के लिए, आई थिंक हम सबको उसके लिए वोट करना चाहिए बिकॉज हमारे छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स ही हमें बड़ी ऊंचाइयों तक लेके जाएंगे। और डेवलपमेंट की जहाँ तक बात करें तो काफ़ी हद तक हमारे हाथ में है कि हम किसको चूज़ करें और फिर वो इंसान आगे जाके हमारे सपनों को पूरा करे। डेवलपमेंट एरिया में हमारी और जो ख्वाहिशें हैं कि हमारे एरिया में ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, तो बेसिकली हमारा रिप्रेजेंटेटिव कौन होना चाहिए तो वो हमें चूज़ करना चाहिए। और आज मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम मौका मिला कि मैं वोट डालूं और मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड थी।
All right, well excited there as far as Manu Bhakar is concerned. Many of the others, as the pictures coming in this Saturday morning, are queuing up at the polling booths to cast their vote, to exercise their franchise. The message also coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We'll get you that after a very short break. You're watching the live coverage on the state of Haryana, the voting that has